has come, we're in the future now. Come take your seat and celebrate know-how. Here is the tool that's perfect all the way. Here comes the Lexington. When power meets intelligence, here is the Lexington. And you control the elements. Looking back, you see the long and winding road. On the way, we've never lost our hope. And we've designed the future at your bed. The time has come, we're in the future now. Come take your seat and celebrate know-how. Here is your tool that's perfect all the way. Here comes the Lexington. When power meets intelligence, here is the Lexington. And you control the elements. Here comes the Lexington. When power meets intelligence, here is the Lexington. And you control the elements. Here comes the Lexington. When power meets intelligence, here is the Lexington. And you control the elements.
I'm a son of third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver, hogging up the road on my plower, chunging 5 miles an hour on my international harvester.
3 miles of cars laying on the horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade of late to work road ranger, shutting up, sing words, flipping made a bird.
We may be on a state paved road, but a black dog runs through my payload. Excuse me for trying to do my job, but she ain't been no bumper crowd. If you don't like the way I'm driving, get back on the interstate. Otherwise sit tight and be nice, and quit hogging at me that way. Cause I'm a son of third-generation farmer. I've been married 10 years to the farmer's daughter. I got 2 boys in a county 4-H. I'm a lifetime sponsor of the remix. Hey, hey, that's what I make. I make a lot of hay for a little pain. But I'm proud to say I'm a God-fearing, hard-working combine driver.